One of my tubes split again. I let a lot of water out of the pool. So I got some new tubes. Hope I got enough. Yeah, that's about enough. And I got some fittings to do the 90 degree, so they're not coming out of the side of the pool like that. I don't know if this fitting is going to work. It fits, but I don't know if it'll be secure enough. And also this fits on there very nicely. So these are regular 1 1/4 inch drain fittings, and this is a pool hose. Fit and sealed are two different things. I've wanted this 90 degree here for a long time, so that's a good thing. The idea of this hose just sticking out straight has always been stupid. And it puts extra stress on the side of the pool. Okay. The question is whether this joint's going to hold. Very nice on this design, they put a fitting every foot. You can cut what length you need. Okay, you can always see that already has a lot less strain on it now. And this tubing came from Lowe's, because they didn't have it at Home Depot. And here's what the fitting looks like, brand new. And then you take it to where you want. And you can see here how bad that split is. This is old tubing. Oh yeah, this one is still live, water feed wise. Leave that up there until I'm ready to make the connection. Whoop! Oh! Yeah, well. This is a good, snug fit. That's why I think I'm going to get away with this. Yeah, I'm going to get a plastic bag, see if I can seal that up. We're going to get a little wet on this one. Okay, so theoretically, look at that split, Jesus. Okay, theoretically, we need one more ring on here. This one, here we go. Ooh, this is a fine threaded one. The other ones had very coarse threads. This has a very fine thread. Okay. The first test will be to lower the pump down. Let's see if it starts coming through. Okay, it's slowly filling here. Okay, it hasn't filled up quite. I'll lower it down some more. Okay, there we go. A little too low. Okay, so she's full. And now we'll turn around and see if any of these joints fall apart. Okay, that's looking good. And I think those right angle things are a good thing to do if your pool is like this. Those should be available at any home supply store. The tubing is the hard stuff to find. And I think I got a little pool filling to do and cleaning. So that little stuff, that's bug larvae, probably mosquito larvae. Most of it goes through the net. Very hard to get rid of. I put mosquito dunks in here and they didn't do a thing except make a mess. Woo. Check my connections. They all look good. Okay, down 5 inches. That's going to take a while to fill, so we'll end off there. I got a lot more cleaning to do, obviously, and we got thunder coming in. Supposedly some big storms coming in. Dennis Phillips said not quite ark-worthy. Happy day to you. Addendum time. Pool's all filled. We're going to leave it there. I could do another inch, but I got to allow for overflow because we get a lot of rain. Joints are holding good, no leaks. Overall, a very successful action. Happy day to you.